Hello, my name is Sandra Garcia. This is my personal presentation for the activity final de Intermediate English 2. My neighborhood is called Altos de las Flores in the city of Envigado, Antioquia. It's a very place quiet and with an excellent neighbor. I has a small chapel that used 2 months ago was declared by the Archdiocese Archers is called San Juan Diego Parish. It's important for the neighborhood because it's the in the moment is the possible the church translate other place. It is very near for the neighbor. It's very difficult access to the church and is very happy for the decision and the archdiocese. My job. I work in a clothing company in the design part. That I work in the area called license and approval, which consists on sending the different arts that are designed to the license so that we can approve the developments of to arrive at the preparation of the garment and the final sample. We handle licenses like Marvel, Disney, The Simpsons, Rick and Morty, Popeye, um, Wonder Woman, Batman, etc. I love my work. I enjoy my work because I must be outside not only in fashion trends, but also in new movies and events to as Comic Con and the world of the superheroes is fascinating. Also, we also manage our own band where you can film pieces of the rocks, TV series, memes, etc. This is my family, my mother, my father, my sister, my husband, and my son. My parents live in Manizales. My mother is called my mother. Her name is Maria Eugenia. My father, his name is Silvio. My mother, he always have been housewife, and my father is pension for working in bank. My parents are the exemplary and loving parents. I have a sister. Her name is Elsa Julieta. She's an industrial engineer and currently is in eighth semester of psychology in the UNAT. I work as head of quality director at projects and a clothing company. She is a very beautiful, intelligent, pleasant, and helpful woman. I had a brother. I had a brother. His name is. He was name is. He. His name was Pablo. Was a soldier and he died 6 years ago. I have a big and warm family and miss you him too much. I am married. My husband is named Gerardo. We had a beautiful um, boys. His name is Emmanuel. He's 8 years old. Is our adoration, early daily in giant. He lived in Beijing mm, for 5 years old because I live 12 years in Bogota. But the great distance, the time, and the quality of life decide to come to live in Medellin. I am a really happy person, grateful and blessed for what I have and for what I am. And no more. Thank you so much.